red flags. That means even the surfers can't go in the water. They'll be writing some tickets. This is West Beach Pass, Gulf Shores, Alabama. That's pretty severe right there. Hey, boy! What are you doing? Yeah, that's a good way to get hurt.